In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to compute difference scores and save the results as a new variable in SPSS. We're using a dataset from a hypothetical study examining the effect of a new asthma treatment. The study measures peak expiratory flow, or PEF, in a group of asthma patients before and after treatment. Our goal is to compute the difference between the pre- and post-treatment PEF scores to see how peak flow changed as a result of the treatment. To compute difference scores in SPSS, we go to Transform, then Compute Variable. This opens the Compute Variable dialog box you see on screen. We start by entering the name of the new variable that will hold the difference scores in the target variable box. We'll name our new variable Change. Next, we build our formula in the numeric expression box. We want to subtract the pre-test score from the post-test score so that a positive value indicates improvement. To do this, we start by dragging and dropping the post-test PEF variable into the numeric expression box. Then we click the minus sign. Then we drag and drop the pre-test PEF variable into the numeric expression box. That's it. Once the expression is complete, we click OK. SPSS will now compute the new variable and add it to the data set. In Data View, we see a new column labeled Change. This column contains the difference scores for each participant. Next, we switch to the variable view to check the properties of the new variable. We need to make sure that the data type is set to numeric and the measure is set to scale. We can also adjust the number of decimal places to match our other variables. To do this, we click in the decimal cell and adjust the number of places as needed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and simple SPSS tutorials.